Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I'll show you how to watch UFC on your Hisense Smart TV. If you find the video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So now on your Hisense Smart TV, if you want to watch UFC, the first you have to do to make sure to search if the application is installed. Here's the application here, you can just come over here and launch it. Now if it's not installed on your Hisense Smart TV, what you can do, go over to your App Store. Before you launch your App Store, make sure that your Hisense operating system is updated for you to get the best experience on your Hisense Smart TV. So in the search box here, we're going to search for the application which is UFC, and here's it over here. It's already installed. So what do? Just click on it once and it's going to open the application. So once you open now, you are going to see the content in which you can watch on the application from here on your Hisense Smart TV. So you'll be asked to sign in or create an account. So you can sign in if you already have an account, or sign up if you don't have an account. But if you don't have an account, please make sure to sign up. So once you sign up, you are going to show the content that you need to watch, or and then also you will need to subscribe to the application for you to continue watching content on it. So that's it about this video. Like and subscribe for more important videos like this.